With this channel right here, I'm going to show you how much money I made on YouTube with less than 2,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna show you how to make money with two methods, or they can be three, but I have only chosen two methods. The first method is making money with YouTube ads, which is AdSense. The second money is making money with affiliate marketing, and the third is making money with sponsorship. But for me, I have only chosen YouTube AdSense and affiliate marketing. I'm going to run through and show you exactly how everything works. I have created this channel about a year ago. Let me just show you the oldest video on my channel. The oldest video is here, posted a year ago. And if I just open the video, you can see that the video was posted exactly on the 5th of September 2022. That's a year ago. And as you can see, the channel is not big. The popular videos on my channel have about 23,000 8 months ago, 21,000, and there is nothing that went beyond 25 right here. And there are few videos, there are tons of videos that I posted, and these videos are very easy to make. These videos are about bonuses offered by Forex brokers, and you don't need to know how to trade in order to make this video. They are not about trading. All I do is go on YouTube and go on Google and search about no deposit bonus offers, no deposit bonus offers, and no deposit bonus Forex. So these are basically just websites or brokers that are offering bonuses, and all I do is just go on Google and search about no deposit bonus, and then all I do is go to tools, then go to anytime, and I will check the one posted the past week. This gives you the recent posted no deposit bonus on the whole internet, and I'll go through one of these, all of these, and I see which one makes sense. And before I post a video, I go to YouTube and also see reviews about these bonuses, because they usually new and there are people who already made reviews about them. All I do is open one website, and as you can see here, this website just post bonuses. I will just probably just open this one, future trade 20 no deposit bonus. And if I open this one, all I do is reading through first, and then I'll make a video recording the screen of either my phone or my computer. So I do with either my phone or my computer, and then I read the terms and condition and everything, and then I'll make a video explaining how to receive this bonus. Sometimes I can also receive it, but if my country is restricted to receive this bonus, or I have to go on the next one. And as you can see right here, my channel is not big at all. Right now I have about 4,000 subscribers, and this is my channel analytics. Firstly, let me just show you how much money I made with AdSense, and I'm gonna show you the mistakes I made and why I did not make enough money with affiliate. As you can see, on the 28 days I only made about $46, and I'm gonna explain why this happens. So don't give up on YouTube. This is not a typical channel. This is something that went wrong somewhere here, but I've corrected everything, and now I'm back on track, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean by that. As you can see on the past, if I go on the past 165 days and I'll go on revenue, I will show you exactly that I only made about $571, which is not enough money. But let me show you where I made money. I told you I will show you two ways how I made money, which is AdSense, the one I'm showing you right now, and affiliate marketing. I'm gonna show you that in just 2 minutes. I was monetized exactly in May, the 1st of May 2023, and I made about 69 cents in the first day, and it was really exciting. And as you can see, the next day I made about $1, and then back to cents. And after just 3 days, after just 20 days, I made $32 in 1 day. And the average of the channel was running around $2. The average was running at $2. And then this day I made about $39 in just 1 day. And then something happened, and I started making cents. So maybe if you're a YouTuber, something happened to you like that too. This way of making sense for months have killed my channel almost, and I really hate it. So as you can see, I was making sense, and then after just few days ago, it started picking up, making an average of $2 again, and I think it's back on track. So what has caused this type of earnings to decrease, going from earning an average of $2 per day to earning 9 cents per day? Imagine you are making videos and you are earning something like 15 cents, 17 cents, 6 cents a day. How would you feel? Would you give up on making videos on YouTube? That's a lot of questions people ask themselves. As you can see right here, these are a few months that are shown right here. As you can see, I was making money on October about 87. That was the average the channel can make, 87 to 90 in a month. And then in November something happened, I only make 66. And then December I made $7. January I made $12. And February I made 34 because something started picking up on the last 3 days of February. And then this month we are we have almost made $20 in just 8 days. So I think it's back on the normal now. What has caused me to make this little amount of money on my channel? There is something called invalid traffic on YouTube. If you just Google this invalid traffic, what they mean is that an activity on your channel that does not come from a real users. So there are basically bots or unreal users that are clicking on ads on my channel or something like that, that's beyond your control, and then they will make YouTube cut your earnings from your channel until those type of activity disappear. Mostly it takes from 2 to 5 months for YouTube to resolve that. Whether you keep messaging them, I have messaged them maybe more than 20 times, and they said there is nothing they can do. They have to wait and the system will pick it up itself. So I was really frustrated, but in mind I know exactly that's not the only source of income I'm making with these videos. And as you can see, I just kept posting videos. Though I was almost hopeless, but on the other side I know it will still be beneficial for me to make videos which only take me 20 minutes to make this type of videos. There's no editing at all, only recording and then uploading straight. So far, as you can see, if I just go on a 365 days, I only made about 571, and that's not a lot of money at all for 1 year. But I have a website called XM. This is one of the broker, the affiliate site that I am using to promote. I use this broker because I'm a trader. I use this broker to trade, and I recommend other people using it. That's why I put the link of this type of videos. I put the link of these brokers in my videos. Every video I make, I put the link just like this. You can see this is a link of that website. This is XM link that I put. If somebody sign up there and they start making money with this type of brokers, I am also earning commission. So how much money did I made with affiliate marketing? This is one of the website, and I'm gonna show you the second website right here. So the first website is XM, and I will just go on report, and I will just go on road rebate statistics, and I will choose this, and last year I will break down in months, and I will run the report showing you how much I have made. So let's make it a bit faster. As you can see right here, in that whole year I was earning few amount, and these are the accounts that are created per month. You can see on the first month of 2023 they have created about 38 accounts, and then the next month 46. It goes up and down just like that. Some months you can create up to 140 because the more viewers you get, the more people are going to check it, and then they create accounts there. And as you can see, let me just talk about real money. As you can see, I have about 115 accounts created under my link, under my name. So these people are not going to buy anything on this website. All they do is check at the website if the website is offering the service that they would like to utilize, and if they think the service is useful, they will sign up and they will start using these brokers to trade daily. They are not losing money because of something. They are just using the broker to trade because they are traders. That's why they are looking for brokers that are trustworthy, and I recommend this one because I'm using it. And then if they sign up and they make deposits, I will make money the more they start trading. How much money did I made in the first year of being a YouTuber? As you can see right here, on the very first month I made about 116. The second month I made only 36. The third month I made 384, and the fourth month I made 52. This money is not coming through consistently. The amount is not consistent, but obviously every month you're gonna receive something. So basically what it means is the more people are trading that month, the more money you are making. And as you can see, money can also go slow down. So you can see some months you can make as low as 16. This was the worst month ever, but I not put it into heart because I know things happen. And as you can see, how much money that I made the whole year. So far I made about 1,600 on this channel, using this channel to post videos and put my link in the description. And whoever sign up using my link and made a deposit and start trading using this broker, I made commission, and this is lifetime commission. Whoever gonna trade from my clients, whoever gonna trade 10 years from now, if the broker is still there, 5 years from now, I will still make money because they have been my affiliates since the very first day they have signed up on that broker. So they are still gonna make me money as time goes on, even after 10 years from right now. So the second website I wanna check up is Deriv. Deriv is one of the websites. I also put their links in one of my videos. Not one of my videos, but I just put links on my video. If I go to this video, I'll show you if there is a link of Deriv right here. So you can see there is a link for Deriv right here. So this link takes you to this broker. The broker also used to trade because I'm a trader. And as you can see, I have few people right here. Let me just show you how much money I made and how many people have signed up using this. I have about 798 people or customers, total customers who have signed up right here on this broker, on this website. And how much money I made, this money is in two categories. There is revenue share and there is IB channel, which is an IB share. So these IB commissions are quite differ from the revenue commission, but this is all money. It doesn't really matter how differ they are. This is what matters is what amount of money is getting into my pocket. That's what really matters. So if I can just show you, if there is a plan, let me just show you right here. Last month, okay, let me just probably type from the first month of 2023 to the last month of 2023, and then I will show you exactly. I don't think that's gonna display. Probably I will just change few numbers right here because I just want to make it okay from January to January. Alright, this seems to work. And as you can see right here, how much money that I made in the first month. As you can see, this is about the first month of 2024, but I wanted to start somewhere far. Okay, let me change things here. Okay, as you can see, we have about the first day of 2023 right here. I started promoting and I have few sign up, few hits, but zero sign up. And then that month I have 4 people coming through and I made zero money. The next month zero, and also the next month was zero. All these months I was making literally zero money from this. And then somewhere in June I made about $13, and then July I made about $40, and then somewhere there I made $16 in August, and I made again $45 in September, and then October I made 86, and then somewhere there in November I made 53, and then somewhere there in December I made 123 in revenue share. This is how it works. This is how real life works. So this might be the worst, but it's gonna work. Don't worry, it's working, and I like the process. So on the IBU share, how much money did I made? I don't made any money for the first month. So I started making money in June, where I only made about 0.8 cents. And then somewhere there in July I made 15, and then somewhere right here I made $6 on August, and then on September I made 17, and then somewhere in October I made about 28, and November I made 16, and then in December I made 144. So it's crazy. That's how it goes. So I was making few money, but there's no consistent number how much I'm making per month. So it's just a random number. Some months you are making literally nothing, because it was the first year of me on YouTube. So basically this is even good results. This is literally good results for somebody who is doing this affiliate marketing. So far, that's how much money I made. So basically, if you do the calculation, if you just take this 1,600, and probably on this I made, probably, if you can just add it up and maybe try to sum it up to 400, and then maybe you put together with YouTube, that will be 500 plus 1,600, which is going to give you about 2,100, and then you add from the rev, which will give us about 2,500 or 2,600, somewhere there. So basically last year I made about 2,600 US dollar using YouTube, not only through AdSense but through also affiliate marketing. So you can create yourself a channel. You don't need really enough knowledge in order to make a channel. People just need information. As long as you deliver information that people are looking for on YouTube, you basically gonna make enough money to sustain. This is just some income that comes in, not really a lot of work you put in this, and it will be enjoyable. As time goes on, you're gonna like the process, and when you start liking the process, you start earning more money, because you're gonna put more effort in doing what you exactly like. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you come this way far, you have really did it, you have done it. So give me a like, subscribe, and see you again on the next video.